2013 Scion XD. It's got a water leak right on the front passenger side carpet, as you can see right here. So the way to fix that, if it's not antifreeze, if it's just water, so I'm going to show you right now. The water is supposed to be dripping on the floor. If we have the AC turned on, that's the condensation. But if you pull this carpet back right here, you're gonna see this hose that's supposed to drip water underneath the car. So you just kind of yank that out, and you see the water inside, and you see all the gunk inside that. So you need to clean that hose and clean this side right here. Right there, you need to clean that out. Start the car, turn the AC on, and make sure that the water is leaking on the floor and not in the carpet. But yeah, very simple fix. That's it.